in America, a diaspora association of the Tiv people in America. They have a petition against the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and they are seeking the expeditious return of all the internally displaced Tiv people across Benue, Nasarawa, and Taraba states to their ancestral lands. And Mr. Speaker, in line with our rules, they are seeking that the people who constitute indigenous Tiv people in certain parts of this country be given the opportunity to be relocated back to their ancestral lands, that the federal government should make provisions for their rehabilitation and resettlement, and other prayers that they have listed here. Mr. Speaker, with the kind leave of this House, I would like to lay this petition before the Honorable House.
Okay, thank you, Gbillah. I believe this was the same petition last week?
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
Okay, I think let me just say that there's been a lot of misunderstanding on that petition. I believe it is signed, right?
Yes, it's
by
signed.
The petitioners.
Yes,
okay, I think that's where the misunderstanding came from. And let me just say this very quickly. The House of Representatives does not discriminate against Nigerians wherever they may be, whatever the remotest part of the world they may be. They remain Nigerians. I think the misunderstanding came from the issue of signatures. And I must say also that the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Wase, has been one of the champions for diaspora voting, and he was also involved very much in the creation of the diaspora committee in this House some years back. So I think having cleared that misunderstanding, please go ahead and lay your petition, which will be given proper and due attention.
Thank you.